Hey, what is up everyone, this is Mars from Mr. Motor. I know I'm very late and I haven't posted a video from decades, but leave it and move to the new shit. So I have ordered some parts from hallroad.org because I was working on new projects. Yeah, the project is not in my dictionary nowadays, but still I am working on it. So as you know, I was watching my favorite YouTuber's video, then suddenly my door knocked. Then I checked my door and yes, it was my courier service man. I took my parcel and threw it over the table. Let's start the video after not rolling the intro. First of all, as you can see here, there is a first box, but we can open it later.
2,000 years later.
So as you can see here, this is the most useful part of my lab. For the sorting of my components, I always need lot of component boxes. I have 2 or 3 already, but there is a need of these boxes always. Oh, look how shiny these are. I love these boxes. So now let me introduce my old box with my new box. Hey boxes, say hello to my new box. So first of all, there is a receipt of all my products that I have ordered. So this is not that important. As you can see here, there are some buttons and more buttons and ESP01 that I will be using in my incoming projects, BMS and more. This is the main thing. These are 21700 lithium ion cells. I will be testing it later. I will put down the information of these cells and buy a purchase link of these cell in description, so you can check out every kind of information about these cell. Now there's a BMS that I will be using on these cell, and again buttons, switches and switches. I will tell you later that why I have ordered lots of switches. So this is the end of the video. I will keep uploading some new videos. Please stay tuned for the next video. Hope so. I will keep my consistency at peak. Hoping for good for next video. Wish me a best of luck. Stay tuned. Bye bye.